Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On June 28, 2021, Indian Navy and South Korea conducted a military exercise in East China Sea to enhance the interoperability and to facilitate exchange of best practices between the two navies. All this is due to the growing assertiveness of China in that particular region. If we see the major participants from both the countries, it was Indian Navy's indigenous anti-submarine warfare corvette, which is INS Kiltan, and South Korean Navy's the Daegu class frigate. In this video, we would not be discussing the exercise which happened, but we would try to understand more about the INS Kiltan anti-submarine warfare corvette. INS Kiltan is an anti-submarine warfare corvette of Indian Navy built under Project 28. Under Project 28 or Kamorta class corvettes, there were 4 ships built, and they are the INS Kamorta, the INS Cadmet, the INS Kiltan, and INS Kavaratti. INS Kiltan was built by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, Kolkata, and this corvette was launched on 26 March 2013 and commissioned on 16 October 2017. It was commissioned into Navy's Eastern Naval Command in Visakhapatnam in the presence of Indian Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Navy Chief Admiral Sunil Lamba. Any ship built by India would be named based on some specific place or some living things. INS Kiltan takes its name from the Kiltan Highland, which is a coral island of the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. As per the defense sources, INS Kiltan has advanced stealth features and low radar signature, which enhances its anti-submarine warfare capability. This corvette is capable of fighting under nuclear, biological, and chemical environments. Coming to the general characteristics, the length of this corvette is 109 meters, the beam is 12.8 meters, and it has a displacement of 3,250 tons. This corvette is powered using 4 diesel engines that generate a combined power of 4,000 HP. Range of this ship stands at 3,450 nautical miles at 18 knots, and it has a complement of 17 officers and 106 sailors. Coming to avionics, this corvette is equipped with indigenous fire control radar, the Ethernet-based integrated shipborne data network, hull-mounted sonar array, and electronic warfare system developed by BEL and DRDO. If we see the electronic warfare, this corvette is equipped with the Kavach decoy launcher and CMS-28 combat management system. Kavach is an anti-missile naval decoy system to distract the radar-guided missiles from the targets and act as a system for self-defense. Coming to armament details, INS Kiltan is equipped with one 76.2 mm auto super rapid gun mount and 2 AK-630M close-in weapon system. It is also equipped with 2 RBU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers and 2x3 torpedo tubes. Coming to helicopters, INS Kiltan can carry one Kamau Ka-28PL or HAL Dhruv helicopters. So that was a quick video to share vital details about the corvette INS Kiltan, which participated in the military exercise along with South Korea's frigate. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.